Why so many retirees are working again? More people are working again after retirement, and it's raising a lot of mixed emotions: frustration, disappointment, even embarrassment for some. But here's the truth: this isn't happening because people suddenly forgot how to plan. It's happening because the world changed faster than most retirement plans ever accounted for. Let me ask you something. Did you expect groceries, insurance, housing, and utilities to rise this quickly when you retired? Most people didn't. For some retirees, working again is about necessity. For others, it's about maintaining independence and control. And for many, it's simply a way to protect their peace rather than constantly worrying. The key difference is how people return to work. There's a huge difference between taking a job out of fear and choosing work that fits your life. One depletes you, the other supports you. Most people are choosing flexible, self-directed ways to earn, things that can scale up or down depending on energy, health, and need. That's not going backward. That's adapting. If you are working again, is it because you want more security or because the old plan just isn't realistic anymore? This moment isn't about judgment, it's about honesty and choosing stability over struggle. Working again doesn't erase retirement, it reshapes it. And I'm here if you have any questions or need help with anything. Thank you.